Bridger just went on point. We haven't seen the birds, but the wind's going uphill, so they could be somewhere right here. He's up there, but we haven't seen him move. We're gonna move up. He's probably 150 yards from us. So we're gonna come up here and we'd have about a 50-yard shot if they flush. See what we can do. We were wondering where Bridger was. He's got a covey pointed, and they flew around this corner, so they're somewhere out here. No.